My name's Laurel Knight. I'm director at Medic One. We're a private ambulance company and we offer all the typical services that you'd expect from ambulances. Patient transfers, organ retrieval work, event medical cover, and we're also a training provider, providing a number of first aid and beyond first aid courses, including paramedic training program. We have 3 students that are in their second year and the other 4 are just completing their first year. Some of which thought that because of financial constraints that they'd never have the opportunity to train as paramedics, and it's something they've always wanted to do. So knowing that you're assisting them to, fulfill their dreams, it's a big thing. It feels like an awesome responsibility because you're not just looking after your clients, but you're looking after your staff, and that's really important because they're my best assets by far. Really supportive. They want Medic One to succeed as much as we do, and I guess we think of ourselves as a big family. We moved to Wales because my children were little at the time, and we thought it would be a much better quality of life really for the boys, and we've never regretted it. It was the right thing to do. It's beautiful, everyone's friendly, it feels like a community even in this day and age. Yeah, we've had tremendous support from the Welsh Government. For us, the main thing has been that they've enabled us to learn about the business side of things. I knew about being a medic, but I didn't know about being a business person. So they've made sure that we've had the support we've needed, and we've been able to access services that we wouldn't have been able to without the help, because we wouldn't have been able to afford it. Yes, we've had mentorship and, as I say, access to all kinds of business advisors. And I've learnt so much in such a short time that I never dreamt that I could learn things that I didn't even know existed in the business world. And Medic One wouldn't be here without that sort of backbone, really, the business side of things. We've had local investment funding that helped us to buy pieces of equipment that enabled us to make the leap, if you like, from offering straightforward first aid to actually becoming a fully fledged ambulance company. But we wouldn't have been able to do that without their help. I think you need to research your market. I think you also need to be fairly focused on what you're doing, and in the early days not to diversify too much, because if things seem like good ideas, it's too easy to actually think, well, I'll try that and I'll try that, and you can lose sight of where you want to go. So I think to stay quite focused, be flexible, but know where you're going.